Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be this at home, on the bus, or during the school day. If there is anyone at school, at home, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please find the trusted adult in your life. Now think about this. Who is someone that you could talk to if you have a problem? Well, that could be your coach, it could be your nurse, it could be your counselor, it could be your principal. It could be your teacher from this year, your teacher from last year. Perhaps it's the crossing guard, or maybe a parent, or maybe an aunt or an uncle. Find the adult in your life and talk about your problems. We continue to be a no place for hate school, and we promise to treat everyone fairly. We promise to do our best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like you. We promise to, if you see someone being hurt or bullied, to tell a teacher. And we also help others to feel safe and happy at school. We had our inaugural, or our very first meeting for our No Place for Hate group, and so we are so excited that we have that group. All right, guys, today is Thursday, but today is kind of like your Friday, because today is your last day of in-person for the week. So, a very happy birthday to some students today and through the week. Today, happy birthday to Jaden R. in 4th grade. Happy birthday tomorrow to Angel B. in pre-K, Perla R. in 3rd grade. Omar V. in 3rd grade as well. On the 27th, happy birthday to Marcelino D. in kindergarten. On the 28th, Jordan B. in 4th grade, Angel B. in 4th grade, Derek H. in 4th grade, and Rudy R. in 1st grade. Also, we have one celebrity birthday tomorrow. A happy birthday to our very own music teacher, Miss Sims. She's going to be celebrating her 21st birthday, so if you see Miss Sims anytime in the future, please give her a big old happy birthday. All right, friends, we are continuing to do our Drop Everything and Read, which is our dear time between 7:30 and 8. Also, happy 100 plus day of school. I have some kindergartners, some pre-kindergartners, and other students who are dressed how they imagine they would look as not 100 years old, but 100 plus years old. I also have other students who have really cute shirts where they have all kinds of designs for the 100 plus days. And we are so excited that we have made it through 100 days of face-to-face instruction. Well, 100 plus. All right, if you are in 4th and 5th grade, please remember we have soccer applications due to Coach today. Please get those into Coach. Also, we have our Honor Society virtual induction ceremony today at 4 o'clock. Please remember that tomorrow is an asynchronous day. Tomorrow, no face-to-face instruction. You will stay home and you will log in at your designated time and complete the work that your teacher has provided for you. Please also remember that attendance counts. So Monday, we begin the start of our last 9 weeks. And if you are face-to-face, we want to see you every day. And if you're virtual, we look forward to seeing you on the screen. Our character education themes for the month of March are respect, courtesy, and gratitude. Former President John F. Kennedy said, as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. So it's not just what you're saying. It's not saying that you're going to be courteous and respectful, but are you living that? Are you living as a respectful, courteous, and gracious person? All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. And I forgot to introduce my pledgers, so I'm going to let them introduce themselves right now. And their names are?
Alexandra, Grace, Renee, Daniel, Rosalia.
All right, the choice is always yours. And we hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Thursday, a fantastic Friday, a super Saturday, and a sensational Sunday. And we'll see you back on Monday.